Today we are going to show you how to chop sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are harder and more difficult to chop than russet potatoes or red potatoes or your average white potato. Here we have white sweet potatoes, otherwise known as Japanese sweet potatoes, and we're going to get started. We have washed all of the potatoes and now we are going to peel them completely and then we will start chopping them. Now that all the potatoes are peeled, we're chopping them into 1-inch slices and then we're going to put them into our chopper here. If they are really large, you need to cut them in half long ways and then cut those pieces into 1-inch chunks. So we got this chopper here on Amazon, so we can put these pieces of sweet potato in here and it will cut it into tiny little squares. Our chunks were a little bit too big and it was a little bit difficult to press them through the chopper, so we're cutting them a tiny bit smaller. Okay, now we have smaller chunks and it goes through a lot easier. Okay, now we are all done and we've chopped all these potatoes and we have this huge pile of chopped potatoes that we can freeze. We'll put them in freezer bags, put them in the freezer, and they're ready for breakfast.